Hello. Today in science we're gonna talk about measuring weather, but before we start we would like to make a quick revision on what we talked before. Can you tell me what is the weather here? The weather like what? It's rainy here. Rainy. And what about this one? Cloudy. Good job. Excellent, because we have here clouds. And here, excellent. Ooh, it's windy like today. And this one, snowy. Snowy. Good job. And in this one, it's sunny. Good job. And our lesson today is about measuring weather. Measuring weather. So let's watch the video.
When air moves, it's what we call wind. Although we cannot see wind, we can feel it
Yes.
and see it blow leaves, flags, and washing that has been hung out to dry. Winds are changeable, but some are more predictable than others. Weather forecasters try to work out where wind will blow and what weather the wind will bring. They are most interested in wind direction and wind speed. A wind vane is used to show wind direction. It is placed on top of a building or a large pole called a mast, and the wind causes it to move and point in the direction that the wind is coming from. For describing wind direction, we use compass points: north, east, south, and west. Wind direction is the direction wind is blowing from, not where it is blowing to. Therefore, if wind comes from the east, we call it an easterly wind. At an airport, you may see wind socks. They are also used to show wind direction, but they show where the wind is moving to.
Thanks for watching. So let's have a look here. Our lesson today is about measuring weather. Measuring weather. What can we do to measure weather? Let's have a look here. Yes, here we have tools to measure weather. We have thermometers and also we have windsock. Here, can you tell me? Yes, we have thermometer here and we have different temperatures. We have high, it's hot, high temperature like that we have in the summer, so we wear light clothes. But look here, it's too cold, so we have what? Excellent, low temperature, like nowadays in winter and also in fall we have low temperature. And look here, we can use these wind socks. Why? To measure wind. Look here, this windsock, it isn't moving, so here it's not windy, but look here, ooh, it's moving, so it's windy, okay? So our lesson today is about measuring weather. We have here two tools that we can use to measure weather. This one is called what? Thermometer. We use it to measure temperature. Here we use a thermometer, and this one is called what? Windsock. Next page. Here we use thermometer. Why? To measure temperature. Look here, it's red. So we have high temperature. In high temperature we wear light clothes. But in low temperature, like here, we wear heavy clothes, like now. Here I need you to circle the thermometer that shows a low temperature. Which one? This is low temperature or this one? Yes, of course. So make a circle. Okay, next page. Here we're using wind socks. Wind socks. Why we use wind socks? To measure wind. To measure wind. If a wind sock is not moving here like this one, it's not windy. It's windy, but look here. It's moving. So it's windy, like today. Windy. Now I need you to circle the windsock that's moving or that we have a wind in it. Which one? This one? Of course not. Excellent. So make a circle here. Okay. Turn the page. Page 90. Look here. We have 3 girls and we have different weather. In the first one, look. This girl. Look at her face. She has sun kisses. So which one here show that we have think we have what? We have high temperature. We can use windsock to measure or we can use thermometer. Of course we can use thermometer. Good job. So make a circle. And in this one, look, everything around the girl is moving. So we have wind. So we can use thermometer to measure or we can use windsock. Excellent. So make a circle around the windsock. Here, this girl is wearing heavy clothes. So we're gonna use what? We're gonna use windsock to measure wind or we're gonna use thermometer to measure the temperature? Of course, we can use thermometer. So here in our lesson, we have 2 ways that we can use the weather temperature. The first one is called thermometer. We can know here if we have low or high temperature. In high temperature we wear light clothes, in low temperature we wear heavy clothes. And also if we'd like to measure wind, we're gonna use wind socks. Wind socks. If it's moving, it's windy. If it isn't moving, it's called what? Not windy. Not windy. Thanks for watching.